Today's video won't have any cattle, but you'll get to see the removal and installation of some cell tower antennas by helicopter. We start the video showing one of the 3 antennas being installed and get to listening to the pilot and crew's radio communication.
All good to go. We're ready up here? We're ready down here. Get that vibe stabbed. Looks like the vibe's not quite stabbed. Good on height here. Keep holding that. I have to come down here and fix one bolt real quick for a second. Hold that for a second. If you could hold on to that for a second here, I'll try to get this one bolt fixed here. There we go. looks like I got the bottom end now. Be able to keep slacked off here. Radios, all your wrapped on them. I got that top plate getting slapped on here. We'll go ahead and work on some nuts here. I got one nut going on. Gotta get tight down. Working on that second nut. I got a washer and a nut going on right now. I got that second one on. I'll go ahead and get them stuck. It looks like he's ready to disconnect to you. Come on up. Good to go. Load is set. Oh yeah, much different. That was like butter. Should be pretty good.
The helicopter being used is from the 1960s and was actually owned at one time by the Venezuelan government. It might be hard to see from this distance, but we are going back to the start of the day with 5 of the crew climbing to the top. Here, the pilot is moving into position for the removal of the last old antenna. To move into the exact spot, the pilot has his head out the window to see while controlling the helicopter and radio communication from the crew on the tower. Some of these antennas can weigh 1,500 to 2,000 pounds. They get the old antenna down as quickly and safely as possible. Here, the crew is working to get everything ready for the installation of the antennas we showed at the start of the video. So that's it. The crew on the ground is loading up the old antennas. The pilot couldn't say enough good things about this crew. They finished the job in under 5 hours. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.